everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cat. So first of all, I'm going to start with a circle, or it's actually more of an oval. And on top of that, we're going to draw two ears. So we're going to have two lines that come in, but cat ears are actually more curved than they're pointed. So do the same thing on the other one. And you're just going to cross the middle of the face, just like a human. And you're going to make a line that goes halfway in to the line. And then the other one, another line that goes the other halfway. And you do the same thing on the right side, or left side. And you're going to make two lines in the center, two thick lines. And make my eraser pretty small. And I'm just going to erase those lines. And then redo that. And then in the middle, below the eyes, just make a small circle. And follow that line and just make two little swerves that come out. And for the body, you're just going to make this shape. And just a shape that kind of comes out like that. And to this side, you're just going to make a little dent like that. And above that, you're going to make a line. And you're going to go in with that again. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side, except for the tail. And actually, I don't like how that came out, so then back to your brush, and then gonna make the foot a little bit smaller. And next, in the middle, or on the bottom, you just make two lines like that. They meet all the way down and more. And then in the middle, well, actually more to the left and right, you can make two little swerves and then one in the middle. And then you're gonna go from the middle of the paws, it's gonna swerve out like this. You're gonna get with your eraser and you're gonna erase the inside of the paws because there should be a line in the middle, and then just redraw them. And you're gonna erase the line in the middle